Hello, friends, and welcome to the Job and Career Accelerator database. Today, I'm just going to run through with you a couple of the searches that you can do on this database, as well as some of the special features that you might be interested in using. So we're just going to jump right in. As you can see, this is the main page when you enter the Job and Career database. And here are some of the categories you might want to use, but we're going to jump into exploring occupations, as I think this is one of the better features of this tool. So as you can see, we have a couple of categories that you can browse here, but it doesn't really matter because whatever career tool you launch is going to be the same one. Okay, so you can see here we have the same categories here that we saw on the previous page, and you can browse and explore by these categories, or you can do a keyword search. So we're going to type in engineer. And as you can see, let's just scroll down this list that keeps on going. We get a lot of hits again. Unfortunately, this search option is the only option. This particular page or tool has no advanced search. So we can try to narrow it down here with environmental engineer. And it won't really narrow it down too much, as you can see, still a very long list, but it does bring at least the environmental options closer to the top. Okay, and so then we find something we like, environmental engineer, and this is what's called an occupation card. The occupation card just shares some information about that job. So kind of what it does, what skills you need, what tools you'd use, and also information about like wages and trends and other related jobs. Okay, so if you say, oh, okay, this is for me, I think, you can save this card to your dashboard. One of the other searches that we can do here is schools and scholarships. So if you are a first-time job seeker and not a changing job seeker, you might be interested in discovering schools and scholarships through this database. So if we open up the school finder, which has a very similar structure as the scholarship finder, you can do just quick searches, okay, like that. And you do have the option in these ones, though, as well as in the school and in the scholarship, to filter your search with different limiters, okay? So the last thing you can really search in the Job and Career Accelerator is jobs, of course, makes sense. And you can just click on there, and you have a couple of different. You have federal job search, and then you also have Indeed USA and Canada, Indeed USA internship, Indeed Canada internship, then Indeed USA job, and Indeed Canada job. And these are run by the Indeed job site. So it may look familiar. The benefit of doing it in the database is that you can save your jobs to your dashboard. Okay, and that way you have all of your job hunting, career planning information in one spot. So you can save the entire search. Okay, say you search in New Jersey and also search in California. So you can save your searches, and then you can also save particular listings. Okay, so those are all our main searches. If we go back to the main Job and Career Accelerator, we also have a discovery search box up here. Now, if you search environmental engineer in here, you get some different things. Okay, so we get some career snapshots, which is not the same as the occupation cards that we saw before, but similar. Okay, but you also get ebooks. You also have practice exams. Okay, what this discovery search box brings us is everything in the EBSCO Learning Express platform, which is, as you can see when we click on centers, covers a wide variety from high school equivalency center to recursos para hispanohablantes to computer skills to more career preparation, but in a different way. Okay, the only problem is it does not bring us to anything that we needed to launch tools for. So any of the searches we just did, like the scholarship in school, the career launch, the jobs, will not appear in here because those required the opening of additional tools, right? We had to launch separate tools. So this is a discovery search of not the entire website, but still has valuable information that you might be interested in. Okay, the last thing in the Job and Career Accelerator that you might like, if you are starting from scratch and are looking either for your first job or an entirely new career switch, and that would be the Find a Career Match option. In here, we have 2 quizzes to learn about what your interests and skills are. And what's cool about this is your results will go straight to your dashboard. Again, dashboard will keep all of your career and job hunting materials in this one place. Okay, so we can download ebooks, computer courses, articles we've downloaded. Okay, and save job searches, save jobs. This is where our test answers would be and our results to help us guide in our search. Okay, so a lot of cool options from this free database that anyone with a New Jersey library card can use. So next time you're looking for a job, or if you're ready to make that switch or start thinking about a career, try out the Job and Career Accelerator provided through the New Jersey State Library. Okay? Happy job hunting!